Hello everyone, it's Joe Casadonti Homes. I'm out here on my home on Creek Road, and we're just getting ready to pour this front porch slab. I just want to show you some detail here on how to do a pour the right way. You can see all this metal rebar is drilled into the foundation all the way around, and of course you see the metal rebar, and the rebar comes out and hangs over this wall, which is a footing and a poured wall, so it's structurally sound. And this wood here is just laying here to keep the wire down until we pour tomorrow. You can see it's formed in the front. You can see the mark in the back where there'll be at least 4 to 6 inches of concrete on top of the stone. And you'll see this rubber backing here, this heavy rubber backing, which the concrete will get poured up to. This is very important. This rubber is something that keeps the concrete moisture from getting onto the plywood or the foundation there, the band joist of the house. So I have actually seen $1 million homes done where they have not had proper, let's say, supervision, and they've gone and concrete guy has gone and poured the porches or the slabs or the patios or some other areas of the house, and they don't have this band against the house, this rubber against the house, and it's touching plywood. Many times they'll pour this without having the house wrap on as well. I've seen that done dozens of times the wrong way, and after about 7 or 8 years, sometimes in the basement you'll see some discoloring or some water on the band joists around the house, and then someone will say, hey, do you know what this is? and I can pretty much guess if there's a pad there, that the moisture from the concrete is actually on the wood. It's rotting the wood. It takes about 8 or 10 years sometimes for the rot to show through on the inside. It's a very bad thing. So we're very careful about this kind of thing, and I'm always trying my best to make sure that I not only inspect all this myself along with the inspector, but that of course my people are going to do their job right. But as Reagan said, trust but verify. Believe in that. So there we are. Just wanted to show you how we're doing our front porch here. All right, well, have a good day.